What is that aeroplane, Bob?
Right, well this is a Tony Ray kit,
Yeah.
which you can buy, you know, on Banggood and various places. It's got a Micro Aces engine and gearbox in it, motor and gearbox. And it has flown before, but with a micro indoor Spectrum radio setup. But I've recently swapped it out for the Volantex gyro stabilised system and put lower ailerons on it, which it never had before. So this is a kind of remaiden, if you like.
Yeah.
So we'll give it a go, see how it goes.
Good.
She's away.
And it flies.
Clips it down.
It looks rather good in the air, doesn't it?
Yeah. So the gyro's helping in this little bit of
Yeah,
breeze.
yeah. Excellent little thing, isn't it?
Yeah. Running on a 1S 300 milliamp
Yeah,
battery.
Must be what? 3-4 mile an hour wind, I
Yeah,
think.
probably.
And for a light little thing like that,
Yeah, it's not doing too bad.
on a grey day like today.
Yeah. Need to get a bit of trimming done, but it's hard to do when there's a breeze.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of rubber. Right, I've turned the gyro off now, so I just want to see how effective, more than anything else, the ailerons are.
You want to see it in bits, do you? Back in the kit
Well,
full.
yeah. No, so it has flown without a gyro in the past, but
Yeah.
on a different radio setup, so just curious. Okay.
Back on again. You're back on the gyro.
Yeah, just put the back into. Virtually stand still on our throttle.
Hmm.
Figure 8. Still prefers the rudder more than anything else.
Yeah.
Deactivated.
I'll just turn the mixer off that time. Starting cross control. Yeah, nice calm sunny day, it'd be alright, wouldn't it?
It would be, wouldn't it? Few and far for the next few days, isn't it?
The what?
It's going to be few and far between.
Yeah, yeah, weather-wise definitely.
Otherwise it's terrible again.
Oops.
Oh. Da-doing.
Engine off.
The battery gave up.
The battery gave up, yeah.
Oh, lovely little machine.
So what's that? I had that set for 8 minutes. Albert Ball himself.
Yeah. How nice is... Yeah. Very nice. Well done,
Cheers.
Bob.